Now let's talk about your customer database and all the ways we can access the information and take access with the information that it contains. This is where your contact manager function lives, as well as your two ways into your contact database. Your action list is the default screen when you log into your Small Business Dreams system. And here you have two very important sections, your social series list and your call list. Your call list is pretty self-explanatory. It's a list of calls you need to make today based upon the contact's next follow-up date that you set during your last communication with them and the priority that you assign to them. You can use the quick view to see their notes history of the last 3 notes, add a new note, or click on the magic left a message button. We call it the magic left message button as it does a lot of important things very efficiently. It will automatically add a note to the contact notes that you left a message and on what date. It will set the next follow-up date 3 days later, and the magic part, it will send the contact an email if you have their email address, letting them know that you tried to call. We've found 6 times more responses to the email going out versus actual callbacks from the voicemail. It's magic. You can also click the contact's name to be taken into the full contact manager, and we'll give you the full details on the contact manager a little later in this video. Now let's talk about the social series. The social series section is where you handle all your interaction with customers or prospects when you're communicating with them with social media like Skype, Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, Kik, Instagram, and so on. You can set up in advance a timed communication series of any type, and by adding a contact to that series, each time you need to be sending them a message, it will show up in the social series list where you can easily send it by your customer or prospect's chosen communication method. Your action list. The action list is where all the actions you need to do today are waiting for you, and it's the default screen when you log in. It's comprised of 2 sections that operate differently, and we'll discuss them a bit out of order. We're going to start with the calls section, then come back to the social series section. When your action list is empty, you know you've done all you can to move your business forward for the day. Whether you were tracking sales calls, supplier calls, staff calls, Small Business Dream will keep you on track. Your call list is a list of people you need to contact today based upon when you set their next contact day to and the priority you set them to the last time you contacted them. If they came in from the sales funnel as a result of your advertising or other campaign, they'll be here as well. First up, you'll notice a line is green. This signifies that this person is either new to the system today or they have a new note, whether it's an email that went out to them or you added a note earlier knowing you wanted to contact them again in the same day. As you click on the row, you'll see a little bit more information displayed so you can easily assess if you want to call them right now. You will see the last 3 notes regarding this prospect or customer. As a result of 80% or more of the calls you make resulting in you leaving a message, we've made the ability to add a note or click the left message button very accessible without the need to enter into the full contact manager. If you click the left message button, this will trigger an automatic email saying you tried to call but left a message, as well as setting the next follow-up date ahead by 3 days. If you added a note and hit add note, it will not change the next follow-up date. Just submit the note and bring you back to the call list. If you added a note and clicked add note, it will not change the next follow-up date. It'll just submit the note and bring you back to the call list. And you'll see it's now green because there's a new note added today. And if we click on the link, we can see the note that we just added. This is normally what you'd do when you can't get a hold of them, didn't leave a message, and want to remember to call them later today versus tomorrow by changing the next follow-up date. You can also click on the person's name to be taken into the full contact manager. We're going to get into this detail in a moment. Social series. This is where you can handle all your social communications by tools on your phone or internet that do not allow direct integrations. This section happens in a semi-manual method, but it's very quick to get through a lot of communications when used from your phone. We will explain this section in detail after we give you the full tour of the Contact Manager.